Hello guys, today we're going to be learning how to add Foursquare Future in the app. Go to App Pages and App Design section. Next, select Social menu and click on Foursquare to add the feature in the app. Next, in this Foursquare area, you need to enter the Foursquare URL of the place. Here you can see I have used URL of Magnum, New York ice cream shop. You can add multiple Foursquare addresses by clicking on Add More button and list them as Foursquare 1, Foursquare 2, Foursquare, and so on. For removing the addresses, click on Delete button present on the side of this listing and click Delete to continue. You can check Foursquare Future on your mobile devices as it is not supported in stimulation mode. Requires native phone API integration, so make sure you check and test on your actual device. Once done, click on Save and Finish. Thanks for watching.